i35equipment.com. This is a JohnDeere 310 SK backhoe loader. Welcome you to come look at this machine here for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though. Please give us a call, get on the counter. Phone number is 405-833-6437. As always, you can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany you if you prefer. This unit is 4-wheel drive. Also has the hydraulic quick attach front loader bucket. Full cab, factory AC and heat. If you like a hauling quote, please send us your full delivery address. Be happy to look into that for you. And share that with several brokers and local haulers to get you the best rate. We do send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you should not be too big of an issue. Does have front and rear work lights. Give him a moment to spin around there and operate the Backhoe Controls. There go the hydraulic Outriggers. Pretty quiet machine. Sounds like it's running good. There you can see the extendable dipper or extendahoe going. Extendable dipper is so nice if you need to dig a little deeper or just need to reach something that's just out of reach. That way you don't have to reposition the entire machine. Give him a moment to climb out and we'll hop up in there and look over the operator station. These are 19.5L-24 tires on the rear. Front tires are 12.5/80/18. There's that hydraulic quick attach. We'll zoom on out to the fisheye lens. Just have a good seat in it. Already feel that air conditioner working. Does have air ride seat. Currently showing 5.328 hours. Let's push the button and start. Looks to have switchable control patterns for the backhoe. Super nice feature. Here's your shifter for forward, or neutral, and reverse. Backhoe control. It does have the joystick control for the backhoe loader. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. I hope it was beneficial to you. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day and thanks for watching.